Saints just yet. My boss are moving.
Watch where you're going!
Come on, show me what you got.
Hey, Holmes, I'm up here. Go around the back.
Hey, man.
Nice job getting that phone message. What's up with Jizzy?
Dead. So what's the plan?
T-Bone security got here real early. They got men on the roofs watching over the pier. Hey, okay. Yeah, I see you. That was Woozy's boys. They're in place. Look down by the side entrance.
Shit, they heading up to the roof.
Shit! Mina, we're gonna have to take out T-Bone's men on the rooftop before this whole gig blows wide open. Shit, they walked right into it. One of those triad boys is down. Hey, there's still some on the left, CJ.
Man, my busing was tight.
Here comes T-Bone.
And here's that snake rider. Look at that fool, hanging out with the ballers like they was lifelong pals. Something ain't right. Where's Torino?
Chopper inbound.
That's gotta be Torino. Oh shit, he'll see the bodies on the rooftops.
It's too late, man. He's tripping out, Holmes.
Smoke grenades? So much for a surprise. Come on, we gotta take these fools right now.
Trying to start something, eh?
Give me, bitch.
You be so kind as to move.
Hey, hold up! Mendez, I see you, Rifa motherfucker!
Hey, Ryder, sherm-head asshole, where you think you going?
Can't stop me.
He's headed for those boats!
Don't worry about it, I got this.
Don't fuck with me.
Get away, Blight! Oh no, my sinuses! I'm late for Dr. Ben's lecture.
This is official police station. Hey, handsome.
Hello.
You got a redwood?
Not a chance.
See you later, handsome.
Bye-bye. Hey, Holmes. I hope you don't mind not shaking hands. Right? No, dude. No way. Keep your undies loose and comfy.
You
You're good with
pervert.
colors.
Lady, you are so boring.
Well, screw you too.
Careful, I'm wearing open toe.
Catalina, is that you again?